Today, I'm going to be taking you on a tour of this pretty little thing. So, buckle up because it's going to be exciting. Welcome to Maxim. So upstairs we have the classic bunk bed, rooftop tent, whatever you want to call it, with this view, and it's amazing. It's a bit short for Matt, but it's perfect for me. Shorty, have a look. And yeah, it stays a bit cooler when it's hot outside, but then right now the rain, not ideal, but that's okay because downstairs got another bed. Here you've got the couch. Not much more you can say about that, except my favorite feature, which is so this is the big bottom bed, or the couch bed. Still a little short for tall people, but again, I think this car might have been made for me, short people. But it is big enough for two-ish people. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but it's all good. And when you go to the beach, you can still chill out and whatnot back here, which is pretty cool. Taking a nap back here or two. Yeah, the refrigerator doesn't work at this moment, but if it did, oh, it's stinky. If it did, that'd be pretty sweet. So for now, no cold things. So these are our burners. This one doesn't particularly work, and this is our little sink, which has some dirty forks in it. Sorry, but it's great because you cook, and then you've got bench space back. I really like this. This whole little camper, in fact, is just set up so well. Everything is kind of small, but efficient and effective. I like it. I like it a lot. is the front of the car. So it's a 4-speed manual, so it's been great off-roading. And no power steering, so but other than that, it's simple. We've got the push start because we're cool, and because the key system keeps failing, and the guy who owns this has to keep driving out to us because we can't start the car without taking a little wire and touching some explosive things in the back. So yeah, nothing too crazy, but it's very cool. And that's about it, folks. It's a simple yet effective, brilliant little camper. I love it, except for the fact that, you know, you can't do much of the roads here in Costa Rica because they're a bit tough on the old thing. A problem with an old car and big hills. But we're having a blast, and that's all that really matters, I guess. So, thanks for watching. Go do the dang thing. I haven't said that in a while, so see yas!